Good day to Dr. Rayner, Alfred. My name is Abishua Asir and I am from the course KT04303 Information Retrieval, and today I will be presenting my code for this project. So the first question, we shall proceed to the code. Okay, for this question and this project, I will be using the integrated development environment for Jupyter, where the coding language that I'm using is Python. So for the first question, it asks us to write a program that will read a file, PDF format or TXT format stored in your storage. So based on the project dataset given, there are 10 different PDFs here, and we will have to read the content of the PDF. And this is the coding that I have. So now let's run it. Okay. So as you can see, we can see the contents of each files, contents of P2 PDF, contents of P3 PDF, contents of P4 PDF, contents of P5 PDF, contents of P6, P7, P8, P9, and finally the last document, P10 PDF. Okay, so the library that I'm using here is fits. Okay. Alright, so for the next question, we have question 2. It asks us to read all the text files given in a directory and construct the TF-IDF for sample collection after removing all stop words and performing the stemming process. Okay, so we can see that the first thing that we are doing here is that we are going to stem using the library of Porter Stemmer, and it would remove the stop words and also the stem words. After we are done pre-processing the PDF files, we read them again, and then we start to compute the TF-IDF vectors. Okay, so we're using the TF-IDF vectorizer from the sklearn feature extraction library. And then we are only tabulating the top 20 TF-IDF values per document because it's much more useful information rather than having all of it displayed. Okay, so now let's try to run the code. Okay, so we already have received an output, so you can see top 20 TF-IDF words for P10 PDF. Okay. And then we have P8, P9, P1, it's not in order, but P2, P3, P7, P6, P4, P5. Right. So this is the TF-IDF words. Next, for the question 3, given a query queue, rank the text files based on the given query. So same thing, we are going to pre-process the documents, and after pre-processing, we are going to calculate the TF-IDFs, and also we are going to rank them. Okay, so for the queries, I'm providing 3 queries here. So the first one will be, I love artificial intelligence. The second one, machine learning is the future. And the third one, blockchain is the latest technology. So for these queries, it's up to the user to define them. Okay, so it is random and open. So now let's run this code and see the output. Okay, so after we have ran the coding for each queries, okay, we can see for the first one, P9 ranks first, okay, with TF-IDF of 0.2952. Whereas for the second query, machine learning is the future, okay, we have P9 again appearing with the TF-IDF score of 0.4714. Last but not least, we have the third query, blockchain is the latest technology. We can see here the P4 ranks the first with a TF-IDF score 0.4183. We shall proceed to our next question. So for question 4, it says, given a query with at least 5 words and a threshold on the frequency of term sets set by the user, compute all frequent term sets for the given queue. So similar, we are going to pre-process the text, and then we are going to find the top frequent terms. Okay, we're only going to find top 5. Okay, so it's much more useful um, information rather than having it. So the queries that I'm using here is also three. Number one is I love artificial intelligence devices. Number two, machine learning is the future. And number three, blockchain is the latest technology. So we will be finding the top five terms for each document. So let us run the code. Okay, so after running the code, we can see for the first query, I love artificial intelligence devices. Okay, so the top five frequent terms we have artificial appearing six times, intelligence appearing six times, artificial and intelligence appearing six times together, and then devices four, and also artificial devices appearing twice. So you can see the documents containing the top terms. So artificial can be found in almost all the documents, whereas for intelligence also appearing in most of the documents, and likewise for devices. Okay, so if we notice, love is not found in the document. Okay, so it doesn't appear anywhere else. I is a stop word, so it's being removed. Okay, for our second query, we have machine learning is the future. So we have learning appearing five times, machine appearing four times, and machine learning together appearing four times as well, and future appearing two times. So based on the query, you can see there are five words, but the stop words are removed, is and the. So you can see the documents containing the top terms. Okay, where does it appear? Right. Okay, for the last query, we have blockchain is the latest technology. So technology is the only term found. Okay, and it is found in few documents as well. Okay, for our last question, given a query queue ranking of documents produced in question tree and the markers of all relevant documents, as long as the document consists of one of the terms in queue, compute the position of the retrieval system at any positions given by the user. Example 3, at position 3 of the ranking. Okay, so now we're going to find the ranking and the markers, and then we're going to compute the precision. Okay, so for here, we're going to define the value of k. Okay, so let us run this code. So there's a prompt, and we will have to compute the precision. Okay, so let's try with 3. So when we enter, we can see that the precision value is 0.6667. Okay, let's try something different. Let's increase the value. Let's go for 4. Sorry, let's go for 4. We can see it increases. Let's run again. Let's go for 10 this time. Oops, sorry. Okay, and then it reduces. So it is quite inconsistent, the value. Alright, so I guess that is all from me today.